Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find password and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and right here you will have to confirm everything with your screen lock if you've got one. If you do not have the screen lock, your device will ask you to add it. You won't be able to add the fingerprint without it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So be aware, just add the screen lock and then follow my steps. So let me draw it. Here we've got the some kind of tip, because the fingerprint sensor is under the screen, which means that if you're using screen protectors, they may affect the fingerprint recognition. So be aware about that. So just tap on OK, and here we've got our sensor. So let me put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. So of course change the position of the finger to add all of the areas for better recognition. Alright, just tap on done. In the previous page you also could add another fingerprint, it's up to you. So here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, up to you. Add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, so the screen unlock, app lock or private save. We've got also the quick clutch, fingerprint animation, and we can decide whether we want to show the fingerprint icon on the when the screen is off. So here you can customize it. As you can see, you can choose something from those options. You can check the effect above. I think the sparks are the best, or maybe flare. Yeah, let's leave flare. Alright, so now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me lock it. Let's wait until we will see the fingerprint sensor, and let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.